Hello mga kabonggo, what's up? This is Monique Bongo Surplus TV. So, for today's video, meron tayong 4 release na unit. So, this one is Kia Bongo 3 4x4 double cab. So, ito siya is bound for Leyte. Ayan yung pina-customize ng ating customer. Ayan, actually, yung buyer nito is nasa labas pa, nasa abroad. So, yung mag-re-receive nito is yung pamilya niya dito sa Leyte. Ayan. So, as you can see, naka-personalize yung kanyang mudguard, tsaka yung sticker. Tapos, naka-fully loaded chrome. Ayan. So, this one is Euro 4 J3 engine, manual transmission. So, ayan yung interior niya. So, pina-finalize natin naman sa likod. Ayan. So, request din ni customer yung interior niya na seat cover. Ayan. Tapos, may stainless stepboard na din siya. Tapos, brand new. All-terrain tires. Tapos, naka-stainless rail guard and stepboard. And also, yung likod niya, binaba na natin yung rain guard. So, naka-canopy siya. Ayan, stainless. Tapos, may top load din. Taas. So, ayan yung setup niya.